Faby here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. This is one of my favorite look which I'm going to recreate because I am obsessed with this look. So I generally don't like to wear kajal on my waterline. I don't like it. I don't know why, it's just me, it's my thing. But when I tried reverse wing liner, I started loving kajal on my eyes. So yeah, today I am going to use L'Oreal Paris Makeup Essential to create this look. So I'm gonna use L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit, the Super Gel Liner Intenza in shade Profounded Black, the Lash Paradise Mascara, and lastly the Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in shade Eyelid. So I have already prepped my skin and now I'm going to spray primer water all over my face. And it's time to color correct my under eye darkness. I'm going to take orange concealer and will be color correcting my under eye darkness. So I'm going to take small amount and try to blend it under my eyes like this. I'm going to do the same on my left eye. I have a little darkness around my mouth area as well, and on this stupid pimple. Usually I use my fingers to blend anything because I try to avoid blenders on everyday basis, as I've told you guys earlier as well. So abhi I think I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I can't see. Yo, now I have the mirror and it's blended. So now next step is foundation. So for the foundation, I'm gonna use a medium to light coverage foundation. I'm gonna take 2 pumps of it. That's it. This much is enough. Starting from the center, I'll work towards the outer part of my face because यहाँ पे I think coverage इतना requirement नहीं होता है. So I mostly concentrate on my T-zone area. You can see the coverage is pretty light. I prefer light to medium coverage foundation. So yep, it's now well blended. Now I will add on the highlight and then I'm going to powder it. So I'm going to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose and little bit on my chin. And now it's time to blend. I have applied little bit of the product because I don't want too much. I don't want crazy highlight going under the eyes, so I prefer less product. And now it's time to set everything with a loose powder. So first I'm going to powder my under eye because I like to set my under eyes right away and apply little more amount of product under my eye because it is more like setting as well as baking. So it's like 2 in 1. While I'm setting, I bake my under eye too. And I'm going to apply rest of the product which is left on this beauty blender all over my face. That's it. So now the next step is the eyebrows. So I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit and I'm going to use the same brush which is inside the package. First I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow. Using the same cute mirror, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm so happy that with this kit you get this tiny little brush. It is really important if you have the right tool and right kit to make your work easier and more efficient. ये एक complete eyebrow grooming kit है जिसमें you get the wax, the mirror, the brush and powder भी है. That's all what you need for the precise application and it comes very handy to create natural to bold brows with ease which stays up to 12 hours. So now my eyebrows are done. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I'm gonna take the same brown shade from the Brow Kit and I will be lining my lower lash line. First I've drawn the line and now I'm going to smudge with the pencil brush. So I'm smudging the line so that no harsh line is visible. So we'll be doing the same thing on the other eye. First I'll line and then I will be smudging the line. So once I'm done blending it nicely, I'll move on to the next step, which is gel liner. So for the gel liner, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris, the Superliner Gel Intenza in shade Profounded Black, and I will first line my waterline with the same gel liner. So once I'm done smudging the gel liner, now I'm going to draw a small wing here and onto the inner corner of my eyes like this. So it's just that instead of giving the wing like this, you're gonna make a small wing straight on the outer corner. So I'm gonna draw the wing on my left eye as well. So usually whenever I do this kind of look, I first draw the wings on the outer and then according to that, like measurement wise, then I draw the wings on my inner corner. So sometimes I like to do the wings shorter, but today I did it the usual one. So yep, I think it's done. For the inner corners, I'm going to draw a smaller wing than this, but I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use an angled brush for this one. So yep, I've taken the product and now I'm going to draw a small wing. I totally love this gel liner because it is a complete waterproof and smudge proof, or I can use it as a gel liner as well as I can use it as a kajal, which is like a total win-win situation. The best part is it doesn't smudge at all. It stays for about 36 hours on the eyes. So if you guys are looking for a perfect gel liner, then I would highly recommend you guys this one. So basically you have to draw the wings according to your eye shape and size. So yep, I'm almost done. Now it's time to apply the mascara, and for the mascara I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. So this is one of my favorite mascara as it doesn't clump on my lashes. I fell in love the minute I got my hands on it. So first I'm going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to apply this mascara. It has become my favorite go-to brand for my lashes. I'm going to use this one onto my lashes to show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. As you guys can see, I've put this mascara on my right eye and just see the difference. Like my right eye looks so much more defined and prettier than the one without the mascara. It has literally taken my lashes to paradise in just one coat. Compared to all, only L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara has these amazing features. It has 200 plus bristles and covers each and every lash. You only need to apply this mascara once and not twice or thrice like you otherwise do. Also, for all you skin conscious people out there, this one is infused with caring oils like castor oil, rose oil and corn flour extract. What I love the most about this is its waterproof smoothie balmy formula. It creates zero smudging and zero clumping, perfect for any kind of weather. So guys, I'm done with the reverse wing liner. I hope it's looking great. So now I'm going to contour my face. So I'm going to use a bronzer and will contour my face very lightly. Yep, it's done. I think this much is enough. Now let's do the blush. So I like to start from the apple of my cheeks and then try to blend it onto my cheekbone. So I'm going to highlight my cheekbone and the bridge of my nose. The second last step is lipstick. So I'm going to take L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick in shade Eyelid and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Sometimes I like to use this lipstick as my eyeshadow as well because I think it gives that perfect soft looking subtle look to my eyes, and I really love the velvety texture of this lipstick and it's super light to apply it onto my lips. So yep guys, this is how the reverse wing liner looks and I totally love it. I am obsessed with this look and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. I've used L'Oreal makeup essentials to create this look and I hope आपको ये look पूरा पसंद आया हो, and especially if you are not into kajal or kohl, do try this look. I would highly recommend you guys this look. आपको पसंद आने लगेगा काजल अपनी आँखों में. So yep, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Also, L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise is for ₹799. Do check the description box for all the L'Oreal Paris products. And guys, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon to get notified about my video.